Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable art mode on your Samsung The Frame TV. First of all, from the home screen, navigate to the art section and open it. And now here select the art that you want to display on your screen. You have a bunch of different options to choose from. For example, let's go with this one, but be careful, some art requires membership, therefore you'll need to get a membership subscription in order to display art on your TV screen. And now let's wait until this art list loads up. Okay, now let's select display all. Oh, my TV is lagging for some reason. Okay, this set also requires membership, which I unfortunately don't have, so let me just select this first turkey image. For some reason my TV is lagging real bad. Okay, and then let's select try in art mode so that we can see what it looks like. And so that's more or less what it looks like. At the top of the screen you can see the timer, and when it goes out my art will no longer be visible on the screen. And generally you can quickly access the art mode just by pressing the power button, short pressing the power button on your device's remote control, and this will display the art on your TV screen. So that's basically how you enter the art mode. Now if you press the power button once again, you will return to the home menu or to the art menu. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.